It's time for a house tour again. Last time you saw the ground floor, the living room, the kitchen and the bathroom. This time we are moving up to the bedroom on second floor and to the bedroom on the third floor. The stairs are really old and made by marble and antique tiles. And it's really steep, as you can see. And the walls are crumbling all the time, so I thought it would be nicer to paint some flowers or something. The ground floor is always a problem here in Sicily because it sucks up the humid, and that's why it's crumbling. So let's take you upstairs into our bedroom. This is why we bought this house. I totally fell in love with the ceilings and the floors. And it's really light, airy, and had a really good feeling. The ceiling is vaulted and has paintings that is over 100 years old. It's really beautiful and we admire them every day. The furniture is a mix of found here when we moved in or we bought in a thrift shop. So the sofa and the armchairs is bought like that. And the drawer with the mirror and the bedside tables we got from a friend. These floors are kind of common here in Sicily, but nevertheless, they're so beautiful. Many people like them and some don't. I don't know why. It maybe reminds them of the old times, but we think they are so beautiful we will never, never, never get rid of them. And the cat. He is doing perfectly fine here. He enjoys walking around in the house and sleeping on the terrace. And the balcony. This is where we put our washed clothes, like you should in Italy. They dry so fast in these narrow alleys. Of course, we have some damages. At some point, the water came in. So we lost a little bit of our wallpaper and what's underneath is revealing itself. It's kind of interesting. And you can see the cracks. They are everywhere. Because this is an old house. It's been through earthquakes, wars, and so on. So that's what to expect from this house. We haven't done that much of a renovation in this room because we already think it's beautiful, but I painted the balcony doors and the balcony rail. So it's small fixes and it's okay. We maybe change the color of the walls in the future. What do you think? Is that a good idea? We also have a toilet here, an ensuite toilet. Of course, we are doing this toilet in the near future. We shifted a couple of pipes here, and that's it. The plans for it was to make another shower in here, but we had to use that space for a water tank, because this is not optional in Sicily. You need a water tank because we have water every other day. So when we don't have water, we have to use this 500-liter tank. This is a really small toilet, but it needs really much job, as you can see. And here is the old water tanks. They are made in a material that is containing asbestos, so we are not using those. And now we're heading to the third floor. And this is a floor we haven't shown that often because it's so damaged, and it takes a lot of job to make this a good place to stay. But we are doing it in some way. We don't know. So, are you ready? Here we go. Here's the damaged room, the most damaged room in the whole house, because it has a hole in the ceiling, and it's not really easy to fix that because you need to be a professional, I think. So we're still thinking of how to do this, or if we have to remove all the beautiful paintings and make a new ceiling. We are not sure because we are not professionals. Also here we have a beautiful tile floor, and it's not like the one on the second floor. This is Maiolica, and it's worth a fortune, I think, because it's so rare to find this. I think it's beautiful because it's the color of the Swedish flag, blue and yellow. And also here the rainwater has damaged the walls, and you can see the wallpaper beneath it. It's blue, and I think it's flowers. It's really beautiful, and I kind of like this kind of roughness. I'm not sure that I want to make it all clean, nice and new. It's also beautiful and charming to see the story of the house. But we will see. The floor has to be adjusted because it's all trashed, and I think the house has been sinking a lot on this floor. So we have to remove the tiles very carefully and adjust the floor and put them back. This cupboard was left in the house. Isn't it beautiful? In this room they left a lot of good furnitures, a lot of findings, like going on a thrift shop and find the best ever, and I was so happy that they left those things. So here's a baby crib. It's light blue green with paintings. It's really cute, so we are keeping that. This room you have never seen before. It's the former office of Andreas. He was sitting here having his meetings and everything because this was the room where the noise didn't reach in. What you are seeing is the construction of the ceiling in the stairwell. So this is the vaulted ceiling. And you can also see under the stairs up to the 4th floor. We also did some very cool finds. In one of the drawers we found old interior magazines from 1933, 32, 31. It was so exciting to find them in this condition, so I had a blast reading them. It's so cool to see these Art Deco, Art Nouveau, the drawings of wooden furnitures. I think the family was very interested in that kind of things, and so am I. Someone would like to have all the attention. It's an ongoing treasure hunting in this house. It's so exciting. Here's the stairs for the 4th floor, and I will take you up there to see the construction of this broken ceiling. Maybe you will understand a little bit better why it's so hard to fix. It's like a skeleton of a whale, and it's been kept up by this broken beam. So because of the break of the beam, the roof didn't hold up anymore and the rupture began. We don't know how long ago this happened, but it's kind of a dangerous place to be in. Some more findings under the stairwell up to floor 4. hard to get in there, so I don't think we have seen it all. So we're leaving you here at the top of stair 4. There's still one floor to go, but we will show you next time. Thank you for watching. Write us a comment.